guys, today I want to show how to download the WWE 2K17 in Android device. So let's get started. First open your browser and search the link I gave in the description. Open that one and it comes like this. You have to go down and see the screenshot. Now you have to click this Restoration Revolution 3D. After clicking it, it comes like this. Wait for the time. Wait until it's 0 and click download APK 74. So after doing, click download anywhere and download this. Okay, it will be downloaded. Downloading, and after downloading, install the APK and play and enjoy it. That's it. Okay, that's it today. And don't forget to subscribe me and I will upload many more videos. You will get notification of my videos. This button, subscribe button, press it. Okay, then bye.